At this point, it's time to take off the back of the drawer. In my case, it was only held on by 4 wooden dowels on each side and it wasn't glued, so it was relatively easy to tap apart. My inspiration drawer has the rails on the left and the right side. From the design of the bamboo drawer, it looks like I may have to mount them on the bottom, which will require me to add additional pieces of wood to the bottom of the bamboo tray. It's now time to attach the rail block to the bottom of the drawer. I aligned the rail block such that when the rails are attached, the bamboo tray slides easily out the back of the drawer. So I decided to center the bamboo tray in my drawer, and that allows for about 3 centimeters on each side of the tray between the tray and the wall of the drawer. Now it's time to mount the rail block to the bottom of the drawer. I used 3 screws that would go through the block and through the bottom of the drawer. I also adjusted the position of the block so that the bamboo tray can easily roll out the back of the drawer, but I also have access to the mounting screws for the rail in the back of the drawer. After installing one side of the rail to the bottom of the bamboo tray, you need to install the other side of the rail to the rail block. And since the rail is a two-way rail, it makes it very easy to have access to all the holes to mount the rail to the block.